Welcome back, Navi.
Hello, teacher.
Wait, let me turn on my ring light first. Okay, so now let me share my screen again. Can you tell me,
Does
Navi, is it
Johan
windy?
welcome back to his home?
No, he's still here, Navi. He's watching TV. Yes,
Always watching TV.
yes.
What does he watch?
I don't really know, Navi, but it's for kids.
What
Maybe
is
Rebel and Crew?
Purple and Color? What is that?
This one, Navi.
Uh,
Okay, that is what he loves to watch. Now, going back, can you tell me, Navi, is it windy in your town or yeah, city today?
but why you don't know? You go behind him. Why you don't see?
No, I don't know, Navi, because I started my class at 8 in the morning up until now. That is why I don't know what's he watching. And I'm not familiar with the TV shows. Navi, I don't watch TV these days.
Wait a moment. I go to the TV. You see a little bit.
Okay. Welcome back, Navi. Okay, so let us continue. Can you tell me, Navi, is it windy in your city today?
No.
Oh, wait, why didn't I open my camera? No, it isn't. Now, for my questions, Navi, I want you to practice answering in a complete sentence, okay? Okay, so no, it isn't. So what's the weather like? It's hot today or it's sunny today. Now let us have places in town. Can you tell me what's your favorite place in your city, Navi?
It's my home.
Oh, it's your home. Okay, I see. No wonder. Can you tell me what do you do at the weekend?
Mm, I go play with my family. Look, here, let me say, turn on, turn off.
It's because you're clicking it.
No,
Yes, you are. You have to show
no.
me both of your hands and say turn on, turn off, like that.
I put in two hands on here.
No, you have to show it to me on the screen. Okay. Say turn on. No, you're tricking me, Davi.
Yeah,
Okay, so
yeah.
you
3, 2, 1, turn on.
No. What about your other hand? You're using it. Put it here, like this. Say turn on. No. No, you're just tricking me, Navi.
Here, let me put on. Here, 2 of hands. 3, 2, 1, turn on. Turn
Okay.
on.
See, I can hear something ticking, which means you are clicking it.
I use this one to click
Do you know what that's called?
hammer.
Oh my gosh, why are you using a hammer? You are breaking your lamp, Navi. You're breaking it. You are not turning it on. You are breaking it. Okay, so going back, Navi, what do you do at the weekend? Do you play with your
Punch on the
siblings?
computer. Punch.
No, Navi, your mom wouldn't be happy if you do that. Okay, so can you tell me where do you play, Navi? At home?
I don't eat. I would not eat in the afternoon.
Why?
I don't like.
You don't like? Are you sick?
No.
Why don't you like to eat, Navi? You should eat, Navi. Okay, so can you answer this question again? Where do you go at the weekend?
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes,
What do you eat?
I eat egg, boiled egg, and vegetables.
Boiled egg?
Yeah.
What is boiled egg?
You don't know what boiled egg is? Wait,
Okay.
boiled egg.
Trứng luộc.
Um,
Okay, so yes, and
and rice
vegetables.
and vegetables.
No, I did not eat rice, Navi. I eat vegetables. Okay,
Vegetable
going.
with boiled egg.
Yes, boiled egg. One boiled egg
Teacher,
and
it's
a lot of
look
vegetables.
here. Look here. I have 2 hands here.
Yes.
Look.
Mm-hmm. Yes, you are balancing the hammer. I can see. So going back, Navi, what do you do at the weekend? Please answer in a complete
But look
sentence,
here.
Navi.
It's amazing. It's magic.
Yeah, it is a magic. Wow. How did you do that, Navi? Okay. Can you tell me what do you do at the weekend? Can you try
Bing,
to answer in
bing,
a
bing,
complete
bing.
sentence, Navi?
Punch.
Navi. Navi.
Yes. Yes.
Listen now, Navi. Listen now. Okay. Where do you go at the weekend?
Oh no. Ugh.
What happened?
Turn on. Turn on.
Okay, can you tell me, Navi, where do you go at the weekend, Navi?
I go to play with my family.
Okay, you go. That is what you do, Navi. You.
Amazing.
What about where, Navi? You have to give me a certain place. Like, for
Teacher,
example,
look.
I go to the park to
At
play with my
the
family.
people who doing help for my home, they said in this room have
What is it?
this one. They say in this one have
What is this, Navi? Yes, a ton of books. Indeed, Navi, you have a lot of books. Have you read all those books, Navi,
one
behind you?
ton of books is equal one baby bull well.
What?
Yes. One
Oh,
one ton is one one baby whale.
Okay. Now, Navi, please focus now,
You
Navi.
think in mine have equal the blue whale or a biggest shark in the world?
Yeah, baby, Navi, because you really have a lot of books. See? And you have two libraries, right?
No, I don't have one.
Oh, really? I thought you have
Two
two.
living rooms. Two
Oh, two
living
living
rooms.
rooms. Okay. Now, the question
Teacher,
here,
look,
Navi, is
it can be.
you're just bored now, Navi. Okay, you are bored now and we have to focus, Navi. Okay, so the question here is where. So you have to give me a location, okay? Not an
I
action.
look like at my home.
Okay, so I'm just at home and I play with my siblings. Okay,
I
so
know. What is sleeping?
siblings, Minnie and Anna. Wait, let me translate it for you. Siblings.
Anh chị em ruột.
Okay.
Also cousin.
Oh, and cousins too. Are your cousins your neighbors, Navi?
Teacher, let me say, there is my cousin. He is a boy, right?
Mm-hmm, yes.
And he wearing the hair like a girl and
A wig.
makeup on.
A wig?
Yes, he
già.
wearing that one.
Oh, that's
And
fine, Navi.
and makeup. He wanted he make him to a girl,
Who
but he
turns
is a
him into a
boy.
girl? Who turns him
He
into a
make
girl?
it.
Oh,
He
he
make.
did it. He did it to himself. Oh my gosh. Okay, probably he's bored, Navi. He's bored.
No, he is grade 9.
Okay, he is grade 9. Okay, so, and that is fine, Navi. Nothing's wrong with that. Okay, so do you go to,
But he is grade 9. He don't study anymore.
why? Why not? What
I
does
don't
he do
know.
then? No, you don't know. Okay.
He changed to a girl.
Oh, okay. He's a gay. Okay,
What is a game?
you're playing with your saliva, Navi.
Đồng tính nam.
What is something now? I don't know.
Oh, you don't know what that is? It is a person, Navi, like for example, him. I'm not saying that he is, but based on your description, Navi, it is a boy, Navi, with a heart of a girl. Okay, they have a feeling that they are a girl. Okay, that is gay. And they want to act like a girl, dress up like a girl. Okay, not like a boy, even though they are boys. Okay, that is gay. Okay, going back, Navi. Focus now, okay? Stop playing with your saliva, Navi. Okay, do you go to the supermarket?
What is saliva?
You have to focus now.
Okay.
Saliva.
Nước
Okay.
bọt.
Nah, it's something I put in my teeth to make it white.
Okay, Navi. Now, do you go to the supermarket?
Yes, I go to a mall.
Yes, you go there too?
Buy and study and
Oh, to
I
study too? You go to the supermarket to study?
yes.
Oh, really?
At
Okay,
the
Navi.
mall.
Okay, at the mall. How often do you go there?
100 times.
What do you mean 100 times, Navi? You have to
I
tell
go
me.
to
Is it
I go to the supermarket 100 times. Look at yourself here.
Yes, I am there, Navi. What I'm trying to say, Navi, is how often do you go there? Do you go there every day, twice a day, thrice a week? That is the answer I want to hear from you, not 100 times.
Here, there are 3 U's.
How did you do that, Navi? Oh, okay, because you are showing it to me. Okay, going back, Navi, can you tell me what do you do in the playground?
Oh, 4 U.
What did you do in the playground, Navi?
I play soccer.
Oh, you play soccer. You really love to play soccer. I see.
No. I'm swimming.
In the playground?
Yes.
Is there a
In the
swimming
playground, I
pool
have a
in?
swimming pool.
Really? There is a swimming pool in your playground?
Yes.
Oh, in here, Navi, we don't. Okay, so you swim and play soccer too in the playground.
Mm,
Navi, what are you doing?
I'm not even doing anything.
But your eyes are looking anywhere. Okay, now, where's the hospital in your city?
It's very far. Like this is my home. This is the hospital
So it's near the.
near my school.
Oh, okay, it's near my school. So when someone asks, Navi, where is the hospital in your city or town? It's near my school. Okay. So what do you see in the museum? Have you been to a museum?
No.
No, you haven't been to a museum. But yes, in a museum, Navi, you can see old things. Okay? Navi, what are you doing, Navi?
I don't know. I want to come out and come in, come out and come in.
Why? What are you doing? What do you mean
I
come out
don't.
and come in?
I
What
don't
do
do
you mean come
anything.
out? You're not doing anything. Okay. So, I believe you have been to a museum before, Navi.
Yeah, 10 museum.
Okay. So, what did you see there?
As dinosaurs.
Mm-hmm.
And
I saw.
a biggest feet of the elephant in the world.
Oh, really? And it's in
This
Vietnam.
feet. You just search like the museum in
In
Ho Chi
where?
Minh City. No, the elephant foot in Ho Chi Minh Museum City. You can see very big. Oh, in Ho Chi Minh. Mm,
This?
mm,
Oh, okay. I see, I see. So you saw the dinosaur bone or artifact, and then the biggest foot of an
of the
elephant.
elephant.
Just that,
It's
Navi? Just that?
my mom is here. My mom is here. Close.
Okay. So now going back, Navi, what do you see in the museum? Answer in a complete sentence, Navi. What do you see in the museum? I see.
I see. I can see the playground.
No, museum, Navi. What can you see in the museum?
Uh,
Dinosaur.
dinosaur feet.
Dinosaur feet?
Yes.
No, dinosaur artifacts, Navi. Or
Artifact.
dinosaur remains. Okay. And then the foot of the elephant. Okay, so is there a hospital near your house?
Yes.
Yes,
But I
you
don't
said it's
live
far.
in Ho Chi Minh.
No, we are talking about in Da Nang, Navi, in Da Nang. Is there a hospital near your house?
Yes.
Yes,
It,
there.
yes, there is.
Okay, yes, there is. Going back, please focus, Navi. We'll talk about holidays and travel.
Look at my teeth. I just have.
Yes, yeah, I see. Okay, we have to focus now, Navi. We're almost done, Navi. Where do you go on holiday?
I go to play with my family, and my grandpa, and my grandma, and my aunt, and my uncle with my cousin, Sunny and Wind.
Where, Navi? Where?
At the swimming, this one. This one.
Where? Where? You have to listen to the question, Navi, if it's
This
asking
one.
about action or
We will go
place.
here.
Okay, wait. Is this a place?
Yes.
Okay, so you went to, oh, the water park. That is how you usually spend your holiday. Okay, so you can say, I went to Hanam
Because
Water
when it's
Park.
holiday, it's
Oh, yes. Yes, I agree, Nabi. Even now. Okay, so I go to Hanam Water Park. What do you like? Do you like going on holiday?
yes.
Why?
The water park is very good. I like
Very
this one.
beautiful.
This is the boat, and and
Like a slide?
like
Okay, it's like
no, I mean I have a boat here like this one,
mm-hmm.
and they push and go up, like wait and push
It is a slide,
very
Navi. It
fast,
is a slide. It's a slide,
and it's
right?
roll. No, it's not a slide, but on water.
Yeah, it is a slide, Navi.
But on water.
Oh, on water. Okay.
You search a biggest slide in Hanam water park. The biggest, the biggest, the biggest.
This one.
No,
This is
no.
Hanam.
You search the biggest slide in in Hanam water. The biggest slide.
See?
There,
Same result.
that one, the first one.
Oh, the first one.
See?
Oh, okay. And you are not scared of it, Navi?
But Nini's scared.
Dini is scared, but you have tried it many times. Wow, you're so brave, Navi. You're really brave. Okay.
So I want to go more.
How? Okay, next time, Navi. How do you travel on holiday?
I will by by plane.
Oh, by plane. I thought by car. Okay. What do you take on holiday, Navi?
We eat cơm thố.
What
Like
do you take
this
with you?
one.
Your clothes, your teddy bear?
No. We eat this one. Oh. No, you don't search in English. You just look at the picture. Don't search.
Okay, I see. Oh, this is very delicious, Navi. Okay, so this is what you eat. Okay, thank you so much for that, Navi. Now we'll continue talking about that one on Wednesday. So you can
Wait,
rest
so fast.
now.
Do you cut your hair?
No, I did not, Navi. See, I did not cut it. Thank you.
You
Goodbye.
cut.
No, no, I did not.
Yes, you are.
Goodbye, Navi.